Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul video for you all. I have quite the variety of things to share and they're all things that I've been wearing so much and loving. You might have seen them on Instagram stories or actual Instagram posts, but I always love to hear people actually chat about their things rather than just seeing it on Instagram. You can just fly through that so quickly. And usually when it's in video form like this, you can have links so you can actually shop things if you're interested in them. So I'll be sure to have everything I talk about, everything I'm wearing, linked in the description box, as always. Don't even know where to start. I recently got some skincare goodies in the mail from L'Occitane. They're actually doing this program right now where you can get a free gift with purchase, so I'll tell you more about that in a second. But I've actually already started using this, so it's not so pristine anymore, but I've been loving it. The winter has killed my skin, and I'll be the first to admit that I am not the best at taking care of the skin on my body. I put a lot of time into the skin on my face. I'm always doing masks, trying out new products, and freaking out anytime that I get a pimple basically, but the skin on my body definitely gets pushed to the back burner sometimes, and I'm trying to change that, especially since spring and summer is coming up. We're doing some traveling. I'm sure a lot of you guys are going on some fun spring break trips. So I recently got the L'Occitane Body Shower Oil. I think this may be the most luxurious shower product I've ever owned. So this actually has 10% shea oil in it, so it's very, very good at moisturizing your body while also cleansing with it. I feel like body washes and shower gels I've used in the past just have not hit the mark with moisturizing, but this has been doing it for me. So L'Occitane reached out to me to see if I would be interested in letting you guys know about their new Refer a Friend gift program. So if you go to the link that I will have at the top of the description box, you can receive a free gift with any purchase, and I have to show you the gift because I think it is perfect for spring break, like I was talking about before, and just gearing up for the summer. It's got your whole routine covered, and the gift products will pass through TSA if you're flying with only a carry-on. So in this gift you'll receive the shower oil that I was talking about, as well as their Shea Butter Extra Gentle Soap. I have the full-size version of this. Love it. And their Immortelle Precious Cream, which has been my new go-to moisturizer. So like I said, I will have the link for this down below if you're interested in getting a free gift. I think I'm going to move on to shoes next because in the past month I've added 2 new pairs of shoes to my collection, and they've been pretty much the only shoes I've been wearing. When I was in London, Avery and I ventured into the Margiela store. I was kind of planning on purchasing tabbies when I was in London, to be honest, mainly because as a US citizen you won't have to pay taxes on them. You can get your VAT return, and that's perfect on bigger purchases. Also, a lot of fashion is cheaper in Europe. I said that in a recent video and everyone was like, us in Europe, we think the exact opposite, and it probably just is because of tax programs and the exchange, and you don't care. I got these for about $250 less than I would pay in the US for them, and I still had the fantastic experience of buying them new at the Margiela store. So I originally was wanting the boot, you know, the classic boot that everyone has, the originals. I feel like a lot of people have those, which usually doesn't deter me from buying things, and I don't think it should. But I also kind of had my eye on these, and when I was in the store I was thinking, you know what, I don't have a single pump in my shoe collection. I don't have a pair of heels at all. So this could be a really nice addition to my wardrobe. It's also less expensive than the boot. I feel like not as many people have these, like I was saying. So it was sort of a giant win for me, and they're perfect. I have already been beating them up, as you can tell. So I can trust that these will be in my collection forever. I'm gonna plug my boyfriend Avery's video right here because he made a really great video about the history of the tabby shoe. So I'll have that link down below if any of you guys are interested. The next pair of shoes I was actually gifted by Eytys, which is a Swedish shoe brand. They don't only do shoes, but shoes are like their big thing. And this shoe has sort of blown up in the past year. And this is their Angel sneaker. I know they're frequently out of stock, but I'll try to find a link below to share with you guys. I'll probably put a matches fashion link for both of these shoes. It's a London-based retailer, and I find that if you're ordering to the US, their prices are the cheapest and they provide a fantastic customer experience. Definitely check them out if you're looking to purchase anything luxury. They do 2-day shipping. I genuinely really love them. I make less money from affiliate links if I link with them rather than another luxury retailer that offers higher commission, but gotta leave you guys with the best tips. Anyways, back to these shoes. They recently came out with a angel sneaker that has the canvas upper. You've probably seen like the all black leather ones or the tan suede ones. A lot of bloggers have those. These are super heavy duty. They've been so fun to style, and I feel like they're sort of the shoe of this generation. Everyone loves their chunky dad sneaker. I'm gonna move on to something that I purchased thrifting when I was in London, and it is this purple iridescent button up. It actually really needs taken to the dry cleaners right now, so I'm not gonna show you too much of it. I'll insert some photos. But I have been really loving the color purple lately. Not like a lavender purple, more of like a deep attitude-filled purple. And I got this at a thrift store in Shoreditch for like £6. Couldn't really beat that. I'm always hunting in the men's button-up sections where you find the best pieces, I feel like. I do have some more clothes to share, but I'm gonna venture away from them for a second and show you some notebooks that I've gotten. Now it's probably been like 2 months, honestly, but I felt like talking about them when I was like picking through my closet and my room for things to share in this video. And I purchased these at Muji, which is a Japanese store. They have locations in New York though. Not sure where else they have locations. Pretty sure they do e-commerce as well. So if I can find a link to these, I'll also have them down below. But come on, you guys. These are perfect notebooks. And they're actually pretty affordable too. I feel like I am frequently complaining about how stationery and school supplies always have all of this like unnecessary stuff in them, on them. They're always neon or really preppy, or they just have terrible hardware, or there's just something wrong with them. But there is nothing wrong with these. Not a single thing. They're made out of recycled paper. So I got this tan notebook, which I actually haven't even used yet. Has lined paper. I'm more of an unlined girl, but I thought since they were so inexpensive and recycled, I could get myself two. So the one that I've mainly been using is this charcoal notebook, and it's unlined. Check them out if you aren't already familiar. And then I have a magazine that I purchased from one of the lovely magazine shops in New York City. This one is called Around the World, and it's in the Garment District. You guys know I'm in that area all the time, picking up stuff like this for Staats. But Avery and I ventured into the store, and I left with this. So this is the Muse Travel Issue Japan. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard me talking about how much I am dying to go to Japan, and I think that I will go this year. But so many beautiful images and stories in this, and I haven't had a chance to get through the entire thing yet, but I can't wait to go to Japan. Back to some more fashion related goodies, and then I'll wrap up this video. So I recently received some gifts from Shop Redone. I know you guys know that I love their jeans so much. I'm wearing them in probably like 50% of my most recent Instagram photos. I only own Shop Redone jeans, and they really just satisfy that area of my wardrobe completely, and they have a really great message as well. So I definitely recommend looking into them if you're looking for some new denim. So they recently gifted me a pair of their denim shorts. Yeah, this is the high-rise short. They basically just reinvent old Levi's, and the only pair of denim shorts I have right now are very ill-fitting. I got them at a vintage store. They're way too big for me, to be completely honest, and I finally have a pair that are gonna fit me well. I'm sure I'll be living in those in lazier days over the summer. They also sent me this ribbed tank bodysuit. It's just black, perfect staple to have. I have the white tank version of it. Actually, the t-shirt I'm currently wearing is from Shop Redone. They have the most comfy basics. I think it is now time to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you're super interested in seeing my uploads, turn on the notification bell like all the other YouTubers tell you to do. Who knows if it really works? I don't know. I feel like everyone that I have notifications on for, I don't get the notifications. YouTube is really coming after everyone. It's not good. If you want to keep up with me in real time, Instagram stories are your best bet. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day and I will talk to you soon. Bye!